Dear friends, are you looking for the high quality metallic plastic zipper? If yes, you are welcome to send an inquiry to our Guangzhou QQ company. You can see the zipper on my hand with different teeth shape. This is the we have the white teeth shape and the cone teeth shape, and this fancy shape, square shape. We have many shape for your choosing, and this one is a standard shape. And we have a different color. For example, the shining gold, shining rose color, shining nickel, shining gun, and other different colors for your choosing. For zipper tape, you can buy the original black, low black tape over the other dye color zipper tape. And also this is a special tape. You can use this zipper for your backpack, especially for the lady backpack. Many persons like to choose this metallic plastic zipper instead of the metal zipper, because metal zipper price is very expensive, and plastic zipper with the different shining field looks metal zipper. So that is why we call metallic plastic zipper. If you want to get the high quality metallic zipper with the cheaper price, competitive price, you are welcome to contact us.